Anker eufyMake He1 3D Texture UV Printer. Now crowdfunding. Anker sub-brand eufyMake has launched a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign for the new UV printer E1. The award-winning device can be used to print 3D textural designs onto various objects, with the ability to mimic brushstrokes or to create a leather effect. A range of pledge levels and bundles are currently available, offering savings of up to $800. The eufyMake UV Printer E1 is now available on Kickstarter. The 3-in-1 3D texture printer from the Anker sub-brand is designed for small businesses or home use, allowing you to customize objects with designs up to 5 mm, approximately 0.2 inches tall. Compatible materials include metal, glass, acrylic and wood, and you can achieve a range of textures like paint, brush strokes and or a leather effect. The first UV Printer E1 customers can make an early bird pledge of $1,699 for the E1 UV printer and the ink and cleaning cartridge kit, worth $2,499, meaning you save $800. However, these are limited in number. The standard pledge will subsequently cost $1,899. Plus, backers who made a pre-order deposit will receive cash back on their order. Customers can also purchase the ink can cleaning cartridge kit $299, a single ink can cleaning cartridge $42.99 per 100 ml bottle, a rotary printing attachment $399, and a laminating machine $399. The Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign will run until June 12th, with shipments expected to start in July. The 2025 IF Design Award-winning eufyMake E1 is a piezo inkjet printer with a printing surface area of 400 by 300 mm, approximately 16 by 12 inches, and a 1400 dpi print resolution. There are 3 supported print modes: flatbed, which comes as standard; rotary, which requires an attachment which allows you to print onto cylindrical objects like mugs; and UV DTF laminating machine, another accessory that enables you to make stickers. On top of this, the printer has a JetClean smart self-cleaning system. In the accompanying app, there's a range of templates and various AI tools that you can use for your designs. However, it is worth noting that there is an optional subscription which unlocks commercial use consent, increases cloud storage and provides a discount on materials. The printer measures 590 by 250 by 407 mm, approximately 23.2 x 9.8 x 16.0 inches, and weighs 20 kilograms, approximately 44 pounds. While it comes with a filter and filtering fan, the company advises users to open a window to remove the remaining odors. eufyMake notes that its proprietary ink cartridges will be available to purchase from its online store and will also be sold via Amazon in the future. The product is covered by a 1-year warranty, though customers may need to ship parts, like the printhead, back to the company for repairs.